can sing, Sha. Anyways, guys, welcome to another episode of Lilian's Couch. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Anyways, guys, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. I love you so much and I hope you're having a nice Christmas because I am. I'm chilling with my champagne, talking to you all on Lilian's couch. Oh, my good girl, that's fun. Maybe a couple of vacations will do, but for now, I'd rather be with you all here, celebrating my Christmas. To be honest, it has really been a fantastic year for me. You must agree. I mean, from movie production to the MDCAs, to my career picking up, to everything, you know, falling in place, to the big launch. The big launch which is coming very, very, very soon. You know, guys, I'm so nervous about it. Sometimes I wake up in the middle of the night and I'm like, what if you don't like it? What if it? Trust me, I'm putting so much work in this and I think it's something you'll like. My second production which I just finished, which is in the works, Double Strings. I know that's something you all like as well because it was, you know, it's hard work to put into it. And you know what God says, He will bless the works of your hands, right? Okay, waiting. I know a lot of you have been saying, you know, it doesn't feel like Christmas and all that. But guess what? You're alive. A lot of people, I don't want life to say today. I mean, you should be grateful. You should be happy. You might not have everything you want to make the Christmas spiced up. You have life, and when there's life, there's hope. I'm happy to see the end of the year, to going into 2019. Oh, guys, 2019 is gonna be amazing. You think 2018 was great? I just want to tell you, 2019 is gonna be awesome. Let me hear you say yay! So I want all of us to be happy this Christmas, spread love, give gifts, help the less privileged, do things we love, help people cook, you know, and find a way to be merry. And I must say something, 2019 is going to be a great year for every one of us. It's going to be bigger, it's going to be awesome, it's going to be magnificent. So for me, keep your New Year resolutions to yourself and try and do it. If you really have to have that, try and just do it. For me, every year I try to be better. I try to find ways to improve myself. To be honest, it was really a challenging period for me trying to get to this point where I am. So I'm grateful. I'm not going to get all emotional, but it was hard. It was hard. It was really hard. It was really hard. And looking backwards and how far I've come this year. I'm so happy. I'm grateful. And thank you so much. Thank you to all of you. You all were part of my success story. Okay, don't cry, Lily. Don't cry. Don't cry. Okay, I'm getting a bit emotional. But sorry. Maybe it's my hormones, right? But thank you so much, guys. I love you all. I wouldn't stop loving you all. I wouldn't trade for anything in the world. I couldn't do it by myself. It was God and you, your support, your love. So yes, I see you all. I just want to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. I love you all. Please do subscribe, like, share, comment. Have a fantastic Christmas.